Well, I tell you, it has been quite a day. Here we are, shoveling away our lives. What say you?
I wasn't made for this. I was not made for this.
You're still in a frame of mind that you left how many
Florida,
years
here
ago?
we come.
A place you left so long ago. But ladies and gentlemen, no joke.
This is crazy.
Take a look. People are shoveling and stuff up here. We have begun and it's like nothing happening. But we're gonna get it over and done with, you know. Because we have to. Yeah. We're taking a quick, good. We're taking.
I'd rather the iguanas.
Oh, please. You're stuck. You're stuck. You're stuck, husband. Good. We're out to do what we do best. Oh, thank you. Yes. It has mounted.
Oh.
Thank you. We're getting some help from around the car, but here I am shoveling all of this piece right here. Husband is doing here. As you can see, he's
Well,
working.
hopefully I've gotten better since the last time you all saw me.
Yeah, but seriously, take a look at the house. See? I mean, to
The
say.
truck hasn't passed it, has it?
Sorry?
The truck didn't come by, has it?
Pardon? I'm sorry.
The truck didn't come by.
It did actually.
Yes, 'cause
not
you can
recently,
see
It
it,
did
but-
earlier.
Yeah.
Like, this is just, God said, you know what?
All right.
I'm gonna remind
Over
you
and
of
out.
this
Let's get on with the show.
Right?